What is polyploidy? Polyploidy is a condition in which an organism has more than two complete sets of chromosomes. Normally, humans and most animals are diploid, meaning they have two sets, one from each parent. But in polyploid organisms, there can be three, four, or even more sets of chromosomes. Polyploidy is most common in plants. It often occurs due to errors during cell division or through the fusion of gametes that haven't properly reduced their chromosome number. This genetic accident can actually lead to larger cell size, greater vigor, and sometimes new species. Many of our everyday crops, such as wheat, cotton, and strawberries, are polyploid. In fact, this natural phenomenon has played a major role in plant evolution and agriculture. So, polyploidy is not just a genetic error, it is one of nature's most creative tools for diversity and adaptation. Sometimes nature breaks its own rules. Instead of two sets of chromosomes, a cell ends up with three, four, or even more. This rare twist gives rise to something remarkable, polyploidy. From oversized fruits to entirely new plant species, polyploidy reminds us that evolution is not just about survival. It is about creativity written in DNA.